Rally cars are awesome. That's a pretty easy rule to stick by in life, and one of the classically cool rally legends is the Datsun 240Z that competed in the 1971 East Africa Safari Rally. Actually, it didn't just compete, it finished first. The car that finished second, also a 240Z. To pay homage to that awesome machine and its victory, Nissan is showing off a modern Z that's been given the rally treatment, and it looks fantastic. In 1971, driver Edgar Herrmann and navigator Hans Schuler managed to pilot their red and black 240Z to victory. The race unfolded over the course of 3,800 miles of gravel, rocky routes that started in Nairobi, passed through other countries, and then finished back in Nairobi. Of the 107 teams to start the race, just 32 managed to finish. Car 11 got the glory, but Car 31, driven by Sakar Mehta with navigator Mike Dowdy, managed to come in just 3 minutes behind the winner. Those old Datsuns look awesome in their red paint with the black hood. The mud flaps and the light pods suit the cars far better than you'd guess, and the whole style of the old Z is perfect. Now, can the look translate to the modern Z? Absolutely. Tommy Pike Customs out of Greenville, South Carolina was tasked with turning the new Nissan Z into a Safari Z. The ride height is increased by 2 inches. This was done with a custom KW Safari suspension, which then makes room for the 17-inch Nismo Safari wheels. A set of Yokohama Geolandar mud terrains are then slapped on those prototype wheels. From there, you'll find the proper colors on the exterior, as well as a set of Nismo off-road LED lights. In the cabin, there's a custom roll bar, a set of harnesses, and a set of custom trimmed Recaro seats. Even better, there are a handful of mechanical upgrades to the powertrain as well. The engine receives a tune from AMS. The Nismo Catback exhaust is fitted, as are a cold air intake, carbon fiber engine cover, and the Nismo coolant expansion tank and heat exchanger. You also get a twin disc clutch and an upgraded flywheel. To commemorate the build, as well as the original, Nissan teamed up with Seiko to create a limited watch. Just 240 examples of the watch will be built, and each one is numbered on the case back. While the watch is pretty sweet, as I'm a bit of a Seiko fan myself, I'm also a fan of rally cars, safari cars, and the Z in general. My second car was a Z31, and I once drove a 240Z across the country. I think we need Nissan to make this Safari Tribute a real deal model that you can buy and not just a SEMA special. And then we need a spec series to race these things. Let's do it, Nissan!